Hi, welcome to Crochet Craftsman. Today, we're making a lovely carnation bouquet. It's super easy, quick, and adds a charming touch to your home. I really hope this will be helpful for you. Feel free to use any colors you love and crochet your carnations in whatever size you like. For this project, we'll use medium weight yarn, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, 5-ply. We'll be working with a 2.5mm crochet hook for the flowers. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. All right, let's jump in and start crocheting our carnation bouquet. Let's start with green yarn. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 8 single crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to the first chain and close the round. Chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then 2 single crochets in the next. Next, 2 single crochets in the stitch. Then 2 single crochets side by side. Keep alternating like this. Now we've got 12 single crochets. Alternating increases and single stitches all around. Slip stitch to the first chain and close this round. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 single crochet in each across. You'll end up with 12 stitches total. Want more patterns and written guides? Check out my website at crochetstrends.com. Once you've made all 12 single crochets, slip stitch to the first chain and close the round. Chain 1, and we'll repeat the same steps as before. Starting from the first slip stitch, work 1 single crochet in each stitch across, making 12 total. Let's keep going. You're doing awesome! Tip: keep your tension even for a nice, neat look. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first chain to finish. Chain 1. Start in the same stitch and make 12 single crochets across. After the second round, we'll crochet 7 more rounds of 12 single crochets each. Keep going until you have 9 rounds total, starting from the magic ring. I've finished 9 rounds from the magic ring.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first chain, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Now we'll switch to pink. Join the pink yarn to any single crochet and chain 2. In that same stitch, make 4 double crochets. Including the starting chain. We now have 5 double crochets. Now, make 5 double crochets into each single crochet from the previous round, and keep going all the way around. Loving this so far? Go ahead and give the video a like, and tell me how it's going in the comments. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first chain to close it up. Chain 2, and make 3 double crochets in that same stitch. Keep going. Make 3 double crochets in each stitch from the previous round, all the way around. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the first chain to finish it off. Chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. Keep repeating this all the way to the end of the round. At the end of the round, chain 3, slip stitch to the last single crochet, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make sure to leave a bit of yarn when you cut it. We'll need it in a moment. Want more beginner projects? Check out my channel. I've got tons of fun ideas waiting for you. Thread your yarn onto a needle, make a hidden join, and gently weave it through the back loops. Join the channel for exclusive members-only patterns and fun little perks. Bring the yarn down until you reach that last green single crochet row, right at the bottom. Pull the needle out through any stitch in that last green single crochet row. Let's go ahead and fill that green section with a bit of stuffing. Got ideas or requests? Drop them in the community tab. I'd love to hear from you. You're doing great. Keep it up. You've got this. Once you've got that nice, full shape, we'll zigzag through the last green single crochet stitches to gently gather it up. How's it going so far? Take a little breath, stretch your fingers, and let's keep crocheting. Want more tips and patterns? check out crochetstrends.com. There's so much waiting for you. Which color would you pick for your carnations? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to know. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Join our channel for exclusive members-only patterns and fun little perks. Once you've gathered it enough, make a little knot and gently hide the yarn inside the flower. And there we go. We've finished the main body of the carnation. For the leaves, let's switch to a 2.20mm crochet hook so they come out nice and neat. After you make the first knot, go ahead and chain 19. I've made 19 chains, and to help the leaves stay neat, I'm using 5mm copper wire. You can find this wire at craft stores or jewelry supply shops. Chain 19 is done. Now, starting from the second chain, work 3 single crochets while guiding the wire through the inside. Then, 3 half double crochets right in a row. Next, 3 double crochets right in a row. Now, 1 treble crochet. Then, 3 double crochets in a row. Followed by 3 half double crochets. And finally, 3 single crochets in a row. Make that last single crochet right into the first knot you made. And just like that, we've completed half of the leaf. Let's slightly bend the wire here and keep weaving it through the inside. Chain 2. Then make a single crochet into the last stitch. Turn your work and make 2 single crochets in a row. Let's repeat the last row. After turning, 3 single crochets, 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, 1 treble crochet, 3 double crochets, 3 half double crochets, and 3 single crochets. Keep weaving that wire along the inside. Want more tutorials like this? Ifai, make sure you're subscribed. I just finished with 3 double crochets and cut the end of the copper wire. Now, let's join the two parts together and keep working them as one, so it's extra strong. Let's continue. 3 half double crochets, and then 3 single crochets. After the last single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn, and make a hidden join. And that's how we finish the leaf. Let's make one more leaf, following the same steps. Now, we're going to make the stems for our carnations. I'm using wooden sticks, but you can definitely use wire or cable too. Got your materials ready? We'll gently insert the stick through the magic ring we made at the start. Add a little bit of glue right to the tip. Now, let's start wrapping it with green yarn. We'll cover the whole stick, wrapping it all around with green yarn. You can attach the leaves wherever you like. I've attached both leaves, and as you can see, they look really nice and neat. You can shape the wires however you like, spread them out, or keep them together. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next tutorial, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. Take care, and see you next time.